Hi guys, welcome back to tutorial race, and in this video tutorial I'm going to show you that how we can work with database in a plugin. So actually this is continuation of last two videos, and in this videos I'm going to show you that how we can display the enter data inside the admin. So far what we have done, we have created the table, and then we have also created a form in which the user can enter their email ID, and the email ID is inserted into the database. In our last video, we have done this so far. But after inserting the data, where does it go? How the admin can see it? So in this video, I will show you that how you can display the list of the emails in admin of WordPress. First of all, we'll create a menu inside the admin, and this can be achieved using this hook. So what we have done, this is an admin menu hook, and this newsletter, and inside that there is a function newsletter admin. Inside this newsletter list, and then there are two important things in this newsletter URL and newsletter box. Okay, so we will create here a function of this name, function echo display here will display this will display the list of the emails. So now let's check that how does it look like in the browser. Let's refresh it and see if yes, this menu came here because of writing this code. Which one? Using this hook, add action admin menu, the newsletter admin, and of that name we created a function, then add menu page and newsletter list this text, and there are two other things. There is one URL and another function. That means this will, when we will hit this URL, a page should open. Actually this is not a page, this is a function which will behave like a page. So when you click this on this newsletter, then you can see this newsletter URL. So where is it? Let me show you. So here you can see this URL actually the URL, and this one you can see the text. So where is it? You can see newsletter URL. So this one is this, and then you can see here newsletter box. So related to this, we created a function, and inside that function we just wrote this text, and the text is displaying. So actually we will display the list of our email ID entered by user. So inside this function we will write some code. I've already written code, so just I'm pasting here. I'll explain you how that works. Okay, so this is the function, and then newsletter admin. Okay, table, and then number. So we have only one email, and delete. So we don't need all these things. just we can keep this name, and then send email, we don't require this. So we have currently three fields, and then here also there will be number, and then with name, we don't require this, and then there is email, and we don't need this send email. Okay, so you can see here what we have done. We have just created a table, and inside table we have three fields, and then we have written here get results is an inbuilt WordPress function which fetches the complete list. So select star from WB prefix new letter means select star from new letter, and then for each I have applied here. So this one I have used for number generation. And I 1 2 3 it will generate, and then it will fetch the email ID from the database. Okay, from here uh, email ID will be fetched from this one, and then this code I've written for delete. So now let's check that how this works. We don't need this, and I think this will also extra. So that's it. Now let's check how does it look like. Unexpected, and there will be actually one more curly braces because this one is for each, this one, and the above one, this one is for function. Okay, so now let's check. It should work perfectly now. Okay, so still there seems to be one missing. So which one? This is for function. So this curly braces for this and this curly braces for. Yes, you can see the list. And now we will check. Actually, this was the first one was blank entry. That's why it's showing like that. So this is the blank entry. That's why. So you can see the list. Now we'll write code for deleting. Let's write code for deleting the record. It's very simple. Let's just put somewhere. So if I've checked here, if $get mode equal to del, then delete from table where id equal to this id. So where will it come from? Actually, I've written here that mode equal to del and then id equal to this one. So let's check here. Let's refresh the page. So it's showing the id1 as you can see. So this is the URL mode equal to del and then id equal to 1. So if I click on this, then the first record is deleted as expected. So now let's go to front end. Let's add another email. Say new email @gmail.com. Now if I click on sign up, this is the front section, and now if I go to admin section and check if the record came or not. So as you can see the record came here. Okay, and this can be deleted also. So let me recap this plugin. We have just written this plugin name, and then $global is actually the global variable which acts as a database connection, and $table WPDB this from this one which fetch the prefix. So what is that prefix? This is the prefix actually. As you can see, all the tables have prefix, and that is w underscore p. So in our table also wp underscore wp underscore new letter should apply while creating the table. And this table is created only once. And then the next thing was we had created one form. This one we had just created a form so that user can input the data. Which one? This one. User can input the data from here, email ID. So this was the second step, and the third step was to write a code to insert the data into database. So this is the code to insert the database $wp tb and this query. This is a inbuilt function of WordPress and insert into table and then email. So using this function, email is entering into database. After entering what we want to display. Okay, so for displaying the data you need a menu inside admin. So for creating a menu, this is the function book actually add action admin underscore menu new letter admin and this is function actually definition. So in this function we have written inside this function we have written add menu page so that it creates a page inside the admin. And there are three important things in this newsletter list. This shows the text here. This newsletter list shows the text here. This one newsletter list. The second thing is URL, which is this one URL. This URL. And third thing is after clicking on the URL, what should it display? So to display the URL, display the content, we have created one function newsletter box, and inside that we have just made a query. Okay, select a star from newsletter and it is displaying the list of the newsletter using for each. And then for deleting the data, we have just written a query here. If mode equal to del, then wp-db query delete from table and then id. So the id matches and that record is deleted. Hope you like this video and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe in our YouTube. Thank you.